What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be building a computer. Now this computer, it's a very good computer. Make sure to unsubscribe and dislike. Now, let's get on with the video. But before that, here's a word from our sponsor.
TopCrazySocks.com. Do you want socks? No, you don't.
So, what are we working with?
For the motherboard, we decided to go with the Asus X570.
So, Riley, what's the next step?
The next step is probably going to be the RAM.
But Riley, how do we install RAM?
Well, let me show you. The first step is going to take this tab, pull it outwards, and as well as that one. Awesome. Next, you're going to get your RAM stick, insert it into the slot, and make sure that the notches line up, and push until you hear it click on both sides. And then your RAM is installed. Alright, how about you try?
There!
Awesome!
Yes!
Awesome. Now we can move on to the next step. Death. And now let's remove the back panel. We've installed the I/O shield. Next, let's install the motherboard.
Day 2. Riley, wanna go ahead and finish the build?
Yeah. Now that we have the cables plugged in and the motherboard installed, let's install the SSD.
Alright, so where's this SSD? To the left.
Take our SSD, line it up with the key, push it in, push it down, install the screw on the SSD, and hey look, you did it, kid. Alright, now that we have our storage installed, it's time to install the CPU. And for the CPU, we went for the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. Now, got it at the edges. Alright, now place it into the socket. Make sure the triangles line up and make sure it's aligned to the edges. Yep. Alright, now pull the lever. Oh, keep going. First step. Move the current abomination. Alright, now that we've got the cooler bracket installed, let's install the cooler.
$12 you've waited for this.
No, time to unbox.
You can unbox it.
Those fools. Those ignorant, foolish fools. They never realized that the repairs would lead to the end of everything. They will know the pain I've endured for an endless time. But patience, Gerald. Patience. Phase 2 begins with the activation of the obelisk. Now, I must take care of some loose ends, starting with Mr. Albertson.